Take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium cloth seat trim, GVWR, 9,300 pounds, 42/18 kilograms, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio in the emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.